Okay, I want to take a moment to kind of update the swarm videos and let everyone know where we're at now. My friend Les Schlanger brought back a very interesting article in the March 2012 edition of Smithsonian, and it actually is on it's called the hive mind, and it's on the kind of the combined thought process, if you will, of swarms. It's a very interesting article. And what this article said that I didn't know prior to building the other swarm traps was the research shows that the bees like a larger volume box, which is, as you can tell, these are bigger. Instead of a traditional hive body, which are about 6 inches in height, about 1 by 12s. So these are much taller. They have a lot more volume inside. Also, what I did was I made the hole a little bit smaller, so they won't have as big of area to defend. And I wanted to show you the process of how I did it. So I just made the basic box first. Still made it the same dimensions, length and width as the traditional hive bodies. So again, once I catch the swarms in here, I'll still be able to just set them on top of the hive stand. I won't have to transfer them, which was the whole point of redesigning the swarm traps. But instead of using actual frames of foundation inside the actual swarm trap, I decided to do something different. I just took some lattice, some leftover lattice that you would put around the bottom of a deck or use as a fixing, and cut that. And what I did was I placed it right on the top. And you can see in this one, I have another step process here. On this one, I just screwed it right to the top. And my thinking on this is the bees will come in and see this open void, which based on the article, they seem to like a lot. Come into this open void and then build the comb directly on top to the lattice at the top. And then I will, and I have, as you can see on the finished one over here, I'll go ahead and attach the OSB board to the top, just like normal. And that way, when we do catch the swarm, they will be attached to this lattice that is screwed to the top. So their comb will be running crossways, parallel to the sides of the box. So they'll still be able to pass through here and go up to the next hive body and then up to the super without a problem. But I still won't have to go in there and actually take the comb out. I can just add a super onto this, maybe put a little piece of molding around the outside to give them a little bit more protection from robbing. And so we will see how that works. And again, you put the nail in here or the screw so the birds can use it. And then here's our finished box that was been painted with the hanger. And what I'm going to do is to kind of test the theory that's in the Smithsonian there. I'm going to hang this swarm catcher, the bigger one, with this type of configuration without the frames, just the open void with the lattice work on the top, on a tree very close to the one that you can't see, it's just right outside of the frame, that's getting a lot of scout activity right here. I'd say the tree we're going to put this one on is probably 30 feet away maybe. So we're going to hang this one up there, and obviously you can only tell so much from a one-to-one. It's only one test. But I'm going to put these other two out in other locations, and it'll be interesting to see if these three outcatch the other 10 or so that we have in the field. So with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and hang this one, and we'll just see how it works out.